Happy birthday, Tori. God bless you with loads and loads of happiness, abundance, and good health. You are one of the greatest blessings in my life. You are not just a friend, a soul sister, a constant source of strength, love, and comfort. Thank you for always being there with me through every joy and every challenge. Wishing you a very beautiful year ahead.
Happy birthday, Trui. Many happy returns of the day. Wishing you all the very best for all the future endeavors of Prayas. Keep rocking. Have a great and wonderful year ahead. Always feel proud to be associated with you. Just have a great year ahead.
Hi Zoe ma'am, just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. It's been wonderful getting to know you, and I hope the year ahead brings you a lot of happiness, good health and continued success. So have
A very happy birthday, ma'am. Wishing you a wonderful day filled with happiness, good health, and cherished memories with your loved ones. It has always been a pleasure working with you, and I truly value the trust and warmth that we have shared over the years.
Happy birthday, ma'am. May this year of your life bring success, prosperity, and countless reasons to smile. Have a wonderful birthday and an amazing year ahead.
Happy birthday, dearest Roy ma'am. May God bless you. I wish you a wonderful and joyful year ahead. And the saying, beauty with brains, is so apt for you. And I admire your positive thinking. Stay blessed always.
Happy birthday, Dhruvi ma'am. Wishing you lots of happiness and peace this year. Some things that I really love about you are your grace, elegance, and the abundance you bring into every space. Wishing you a happy year ahead, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Wish you many more happy returns of the day. May you be blessed with success, happiness, good health, and everything which you wish for. So, one thing which I truly admire about you is your resilience and never giving up attitude. Have a wonderful year ahead, ma'am. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, ma'am. Wishing you many more happy returns of the day. I hope this year brings you a lots of happiness, success, and good health. And thank you so much for being such a wonderful leader, and also for encouraging us to grow every day. Once again, wishing you many more happy returns of the day, ma'am. Bye.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. Thank you so much for being so inspirational. You always help us discover more about ourselves and guiding us all throughout the way. May you have a beautiful year ahead, ma'am.
Happy birthday, ma'am. Wishing you a wonderful day and a year full of love, laughter, hope, joy, and all the happiness in the world. On this special day, I'd like to take a moment to really go back down memory lane and recall all the wonderful contributions, all the learnings and growth from Tejasri's first homeroom teacher here to today, the way we are able to transform teachers' lives and parents and contribute to learning and the learners around us. It's been incredible, ma'am. Thank you for all your guidance. Thank you for being such a good mentor and such a strong leader. I really admire the way you keep going with so much resilience, with so much care, with so much responsibility, and with so much integrity. With you, there is no problem is indefinitely a problem. There's always a solution, and nothing is impossible. Thank you so much.
Hi, a very happy birthday to you, Troy. You're truly special to all of us. To me, personally, you are a mentor, an inspiration, a supportive colleague, and a wonderful friend. I have learned so much from your guidance and your unique approach towards leadership. Thank you for being there, encouraging us to think bigger, aim higher, and believe in ourselves. May this year bring you abundance of joy, good health, continuous success, and countless memories. Wishing you many more inspiring leadership and fulfillment. Thank you for being here as an amazing person. Wishing you wonderful birthday filled with laughter and beautiful memories. Happy birthday, Troy. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Troy. Many happy returns of the day. ভালো থেকো, সুস্থ থেকো। শোনো, ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ডে 90s গান বাজছে। আমরা পুরনো হলেও এখনো নতুন। হ্যাপি বার্থডে এগেন। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। ভালো থেকো।
Hi Troy, your team has given me this tough task. They've asked me to say something nice about you, and you know how difficult that is for me to actually find something nice about you and then talk about it. But then I thought it's your birthday, so yeah, why not be nice? Why not try, give it a shot? Yeah, so but yeah, jokes apart, Troy, you'd always been there as a pillar of support for me. You'd always guided me, you mentored me, you trained me. You've put up with all my tantrums, attitudes, my anger issues or my confusions, and you've always given me a clarity of on the way forward, and you are that one person I always thank for being in my life, and I would value your presence in my life. Thank you so much for all the support and guidance and patience especially, and helping me to evolve into a person who I am today. And this credit completely goes to you, and I cannot thank you enough for your presence in my life. I will hold immense gratitude for your support, your presence itself, and thank you so much once again. And yeah, wish you a very happy birthday. I wish you loads of happiness, success, prosperity, and of good health and long life. Wish you all the best and wish you a very, very happy birthday. Take care.